it going, dude?
Yo, what's good? I'm Martian, and I like to learn about HVAC systems.
Alright, well we got some HVAC systems over here. Over here is the most basic of all the HVAC systems. It controls everything. It's called a thermostat. It has a red button here if you want to make the temperature hotter, or a blue button to make the temperature colder. The set button makes it hold at that temperature. That'll get your heating or your air conditioning system working to the right degree. So over here is another aspect of heating. It's called a fireplace. Well, this one's not a real wood fireplace. It just uses natural gas to heat the house.
So what are some other ways of heating the house other than this fireplace?
Well, some properties can use a boiler, which heats up hot water that then runs through pipes throughout the building and heats the building up.
What's this hole in the ceiling?
Oh, that's an air vent.
What's an air vent?
An air vent is a way that hot or cold air can be put into a room when you change the thermostat to change the temperature. It's another way that heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems help our lives. Thing.
What is that?
This ventilation system removes humidity from the room.
Perfect. Next.
Bang, bang.